We're at the Planet Hollywood Casino and Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada on a 37th floor. We have an ultra hip king room, fountain view. When you walk in, immediately to the left is the bathroom. You do have one sink, but you do have a large counter. And then a soaking tub, water closet with the toilet, and then a separate shower. In the bathroom, they do have this cool towel holder, just like fingers making the peace sign. As you enter the room on the right, you have this closet wardrobe. In here you have your safe and then your ironing board. Next to that you have the television, a counter here, and you have just open spaces in here mostly. This one has a shelf, and then this one is open as well, so I guess you can store some stuff in there. And then in here you do have a refrigerator. It's empty, it's to store your own stuff. There is no mini bar in this room. To the left you have a nice little table and chairs if you want to eat, have a drink. And then you have your bed with two dressers next to it. And then you do have on the lamps outlets and USB ports on both sides. So there's plenty of charging areas for your devices. By the window you have this chaise lounge. And there's a lot of empty space in the room. But it is a large room. You have a lot of room to move around. Now this whole wall isn't window. You have this window here, and then the curtains fold back to here, but there's no window back there. This is a fountain view room, so you do see the fountains at the Bellagio. Really good view of them. And then you also can see Aria, Cosmo. This is the strip view at night. Great view of the fountains. You can see down the strip as well if you look out to the side. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.